Today you'll be watching our Destination Cooking Challenge, where one of our frequent Miler team members will demonstrate how to prepare some kind of food from somewhere in the world. If you think this contestant should win the challenge, don't forget to like and subscribe at the end of the video.
I recently did one of those Ancestry DNA kits where you spit into a test tube and mail it in to find out about your background. I was sure I'd discover all kinds of interesting things, but it came back kind of boring. 100% certified European Jewish. More specifically, 100% Central and Eastern European Jewish. Anyway, figured that for my Destination Cooking Challenge, I should prepare a European Jewish dish. One little problem, I don't like that many Jewish dishes, but there is one. I love bagels, and I really love everything bagels. So I'm gonna give that a try today. In preparation, I did some research to look into the history of bagels. Where'd they come from? It apparently all starts with the Polish Prince Boleslaw the Pious in 1264. He declared that Jews may freely buy and sell and touch bread like Christians. And that was revolutionary at the time, believe it or not. This set the stage and made it possible for Jews to make bagels. And then apparently where bagels actually came from was migrants from Germany who brought their pretzel making skills, but decided for whatever reason to shape the dough not into a knot, but into a circle. And bagels were born. Once we have the bagels all prepared and glazed and with all the everything toppings on there, stick it in the oven for about 25 minutes. We're gonna be good to go. Starting to look like a real everything bagel. Can't wait. Look at that. Just seeing the everything mixture all together on the bagel just has me salivating. Last bagel to get ready. So excited. Shaping it. Brushing it. You could just taste that thing in your mind, can't you? No, I can. Shaped like that. I'm ready to try one. I'm gonna start with the little misshapen guy, see if it's any good. I can't wait. I don't know, should I cut it first or eat it just like that? I think I'll cut it first. So let's cut it in half. All right, there it is. Two sides. All right, I'm gonna try it first without cream cheese and put a schmear on there. Try it like that. This is actually good.